guys, today we'll be making an adorable bubble Christmas deco mesh wreath. What you will need, I have a 14-inch wreath ring. You can also use an 18-inch wreath ring if you choose to do so. 21-inch deco mesh, Chanel stems, and scissors. And I also have this adorable sign that I decided to add to the center of my wreath. All right, let's get started. All right, so I have cut my stems into fourths, and I'm just going to start by unraveling my mesh, and I'm going to fold it to a nice little point, just like this. And I like to start on one of the cross rings, just because I can get a nice stable base. Going to, now you can use a stem and twist it together, or you can just tie it in a knot. I've done both ways. Twist it, just to twist it in place and secure it a little bit more. You're using the larger 18-inch wreath ring. There's only one ring in the center as opposed to two on the 14-inch ring. So just adjust accordingly. So I'm going to pull and make a nice little poof. And when I make my first poof, I'm going to attach it to the outer inner ring. And I'm just going to alternate back and forth, outer, inner. Since I am using the 14-inch wreath ring. Again, with the 18-inch wreath ring, there's only one ring in the center, and you would just stay on that one ring for the entire duration. All right, so I'm making a poof. Take my stem and twist it around the wreath ring. Twist it a couple of times, and then tuck it away. Just like that. So I'm going to make another poof. And like I said, this time I'm going to the inner ring. Once all of your mesh is in place, you will not be able to see which is inner, outer, or any of that. It's all going to mesh just perfectly. All right, I'm going to go with one more poof in this section. With the larger wreath ring, I normally go with 4 poofs in each section. Since this is a smaller wreath ring, I think I'm going to only go with 3 poofs in each of my 6 sections. So I made the poof, and I'm just twisting it around the stem. Twist, twist, twist a couple of times. And tuck it away. Then you can flare it out, so you can kind of get an idea of how it's looking. So cute and poofy. It's just like that. That's just one section. If you still want to go with 4 poofs in each section, you can definitely do so. You can go with 5 or 6 poofs. The possibilities are endless. So just have fun with it and make it your own. This is what the back looks like. So as you can see, I'm alternating. And I'm just going to continue doing this all the way around my wreath. The size of the poof, that is completely up to you. You can make them larger, smaller, however you prefer. Again, this is your opportunity to do exactly the way you like for it to be. All right, I'm going to get some more poofs in place, and then I'll show you what it's looking like. Looking so cute and poofy already. You're going to just continue right along. Coming to the end of my mesh, I'm just removing it from the roll. It's just enough to make one final poof. And now I'm going to go around and kind of flare out all of my poofs to make sure they're nice and poofy. And it's looking so cute and poofy already. You could definitely double layer if you choose to do so. But I thought the buffalo plaid looked so cute and adorable by itself. I'm going to turn my sign over and cut off the top hanger. Then I'm going to take my stems. I'm going to twist my stems together and place it in the center of my sign. I don't need 4 stems just because this is a smaller sign. I just need enough of the stem hanging off the side of my sign to attach it to the wreath. So then I'm going to hot glue it in place. Just like that. Now I'm going to add it to the center of my wreath. If the sign were larger, I would definitely push my mesh outward so that I don't cover up too much of the mesh. But since the sign is smaller, it's going to just fit perfectly right in the center. So all I'm going to do is push my mesh aside and attach my stem to the actual wreath ring. And twist it in place a couple of times just to make sure it's nice and secure. And you are all done. So cute, simple, and easy to make. Modify the color, the style, add in any additional embellishments you prefer.